Where the waters have receded, the cleanup is underway. For those who have flood insurance, claims are being assessed. But only 20% of those in the region with flood damage have flood insurance. In fact, the number of those covered in Houston has been dropping steadily over the years, in part because Congress decided to increase premiums a few years ago for the government-backed policies, despite predictions of catastrophic weather events fueled by climate change.
Hi, my name is Diane Adams, and I'm here from Sanctuary Church in Calamasa, and I'm just here pulling nails out of molding and just trying to help us do wherever I can be.
Hi, I'm Linda Anderson from Sanctuary Church. We're taking out drywall, molding around the house. I'm Bobby from Sanctuary. I came up with Big Bear and Sanctuary team to Houston, and we're working in Beaumont today on a house that has damage up about a foot high.
I'm Jim from Sanctuary Church. My wife and I are here today cleaning up after this devastating flood here in Beaumont, Texas. It's unbelievable.